Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Hay. So today I will be making shrimp and grits, for those brunch mornings when you want to just have some good food and some mimosas. So I'll be showing you how I make my shrimp and grits, and it's going to be exciting because it's my first time making it ever. So stay tuned so we can see how this is going to turn out. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to use. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and make the grits. So use 1.5 cup of water. So I already measured it, and so I'm gonna put it in there to boil. Go ahead and set it on high. So while we wait for that to boil, I will go ahead and start seasoning up the shrimp. So I just cleaned the shrimp, and they look like this. And so now I'm about to get ready to season them. Okay, first, so starting out, I will use some Tony's Creole Seasoning. This would help. I'm gonna use some pepper. Some oregano. And some Obey seasoning, which is one of my favorites. Kind of mix this together. So you can kind of see it's like this. Okay, and so I'm gonna move over here to go ahead and get started with cooking the shrimp. I do have my grits boiling on low, and so I'm gonna take some butter and I'm gonna saute the peppers in here too, so we can just get all that going at once. So I bought my peppers from Fresh Market because they already come cut up. So I'm probably just gonna cut them up into a little bit more pieces. But I'm only gonna use just red and green peppers for this, just because. So yeah, I must just cut them up, make them a little bit smaller. Okay, so now that I have my butter in here melting well, I must go ahead and add the shrimp. So and I'm also add my peppers. I don't really care for peppers like that, but I like them for the seasoning, so I only cut up a little bit. And so I'm gonna just add that to it. And then I do like lemons and I like lemon juice, so I'm gonna just squirt a little bit on top of that. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and stir these up, let them cook. Oh yeah, you want to add a little bit of chicken broth. It doesn't have to necessarily be chicken broth, but any type of broth, your choice. So we're only going to add just a little bit to get that nice little sauce. So at the last minute, I decided to add some spinach because I love spinach, and I'm only going to add a little bit. So we know the spinach shrinkage is real. So we're just gonna add a little bit to that, let it saute a little bit, and then we're almost done. The grits are looking good, and just waiting. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more Tony seasoning, just a little bit, and a little bit more of Obey. Now that we got the peppers and the shrimp added. Let me show you how it looks. Looks good.
This is just going to give you a sneak preview of how the shrimp looks.
So let's get into how the grits look. Looking pretty good. Probably add a little bit more butter because I'm not adding cheese to the grits, but they look pretty good. They just been over here boiling. So yeah, that's almost done. Final result, and it looks pretty good to me. I'm excited to try it. And yes, it's just shrimp and grits with shrimp. I put some red and green bell peppers in there and some spinach. So yeah. Okay, so right now is the best part because I'm actually about to try what I just made for the first time. My shrimp and grits look like this. So let's see. It looks so good. I hope it tastes really good too. This is some of the best food I've ever made. And the fact that I made it for the first time is like, yeah, girl, you did your thing. So, thank y'all for watching this video. I'm about to eat. And remember to like, subscribe. Thank you.